You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's change your Roblox avatar's gender. Open the Roblox app or website and log into your account. Click on the avatar icon to go to the customization page. Look at the categories above your avatar. Find and click on the one labeled Body. In the Body menu, you will see different body type options. Look for options named row, throw, or packages that include words like man or woman. These are preset body types that define a more masculine or feminine shape. Select the body type package you want to use. A pop-up will ask you to confirm the purchase. Many of these are free, so just click Purchase for a zero-cost item. Your avatar's base shape will change immediately. You can then customize it further with clothing and accessories. To reverse this, go back to the body section and choose a different base package. Remember, gender in Roblox is defined by the body shape and the clothing items you choose to wear, as there is no direct male or female setting. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel. You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's enable crossfade on Apple Music to blend your songs together smoothly. First, open the Apple Music app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to access your account settings. From the menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Audio. Tap on Audio to reveal more sound settings. Here you will find the crossfade toggle switch. Simply turn this switch on. Once enabled, you can adjust the crossfade duration by using the slider below the toggle. Move the slider left for a shorter fade, like 1 second, or right for a longer fade, up to 12 seconds. Play a song. To hear how the end of one track seamlessly transitions into the beginning of the next. This setting applies to music you stream and also to songs you have downloaded to your library. The crossfade feature works on iPhone and iPad, but is not available on Apple Music for Mac computers. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.